everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to calculate percentage increase. It's super useful for so many things like tracking prices, savings, or even your progress. Let's begin our lesson by first defining what percentage increase means. Percentage increase measures the amount of increase in comparison to the original value, expressed as percentage. So let's make it easier to understand by going through our first question and example together. So here's the question. What is the percentage increase if the original value is 290 and the new value is 370? So first, we're going to identify what is the original and new value. Again, original value is the starting amount of the first value before any change. And new value is the amount after the change happens. So now let's proceed. So this is the formula on how to calculate the percentage increase. We have the new value minus the original value over or divided by the original value times 100%. Okay, our solution is we will identify what is new value and what is original value. In this example, the new value is 370 and the original value is 390. Okay, let's go step by step. We use the given formula to calculate the percentage increase. First, we're going to substitute the value of new value and original value. Okay, step number 1, subtract the original value from the new value, which is our new value is 370 and original value is 290 over or divided by the original value, which is 290 times 100%. Now, 370 minus 290 is equal to 80. So, the increase is 80 divided by 290 times 100. Okay, next. Divide the increase by the original value. So, the increase is 80 divided by the original value, 290 times 100% is 0.2759. And then the next step is to multiply by 100 to get the percentage. So we have 0.2759 times 100% is 27.59% or 28%. So that means the percentage increase is 28%. And that means the increase of 80 represents a 28% growth from the original value. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and useful tips. See ya in the next one. Thank you.